how to change language in NotebookLM. So this is really easy to do. So after you've added your sources and you've begun a conversation, if you want to switch over the conversation directly on the chat, all you need to do is just simply tell the AI to do that. Now there is another option of changing the language. So let's say you want to get an audio overview. Just click on the toggle here and then select the language you want it in. If you want it in Dutch or another language, it's going to be made available in that language. And then just simply click on generate. Now, it's the same for your infographics when you click here and select the language and simply change it. Now, this is also the same for the slide deck. Just click on the toggle and then select the language you want it to be appeared in. Do either as a detailed deck or a presenter slide. Now, you can do the same for your video overview by clicking on the toggle as well and selecting the language you would like for it to appear in when your video is being generated. That is either as an explainer video or a brief. Now, I believe the same should be applied for your quizzes, but it isn't. So it's just down to the slide decks, audio overview, the video overview, and infograph. All right, guys.